Hey guys, it's me. I thought I'd come back and share a couple of online hauls. So I got my paper person kit and let's take a look at it. So this is my paper person kit. I want to say this is the one from last month. I don't think the one from this month has shipped yet. Anyway, this is what came in the mail a couple of days ago. So, I think that washi is so cute. And when, on the 15th, I went to buy another one of these, but it was already sold out because she always has these sales while I'm at work. But anyway, let's see. Let's take a look at the cards right quick. I love her cards. Love, love, love them. I love the weight and what she does with them, like that one. Super cute and useful. Really like it. So there's not a single one so far that I don't like. And I say I got to decide. I really like that. And then top 10 list. These are really, really neat. I like these library cards. This kit is very, very cute. Oh, we got another one. Good. All right. So that's that one. And then you get alphas. Always alphas. And then here's the stamp set. Very nice. Really like that. It's like everybody's doing book stamps right now. Alrighty. And then let's take a really quick peek at the die cut. I usually don't go through these because it takes so much time. But I almost can't stand it. I have to look at some of it. Okay. Very nice. Very nice prompts. You could color that or not. Yeah, I like this one a lot. I wonder if a lot of times with her subscribers you can get like the PDF of these and you can print them out yourself. I hope that's true. That I can print out more of these. All right. I haven't even looked at it. The email. Okay. Okay. So that's that. That's my kit. And I got this on eBay. I thought this was super cute. I have never seen this before. And so you can make a little, there's like this die that comes with it, but I'm sure Cricut has a French fry box that I could put this on. So I saw somebody use an example where this was on a French fry box. Like I said, there's a die, but I don't need the die. It would have been nice, but I didn't see the die. This was, and then there clear stamps. I like that. So this was $8 plus the shipping, made it around $12, almost $13. So I thought that was a pretty good deal for that. All right, and then let's see. I think this is my studio. Yeah, this is my studio Calico haul. I really like these, so I picked these up. Very, very nice and useful. And you know, theirs always come with the, not always, some of them don't, but most of them come with the stamp pocket, which I love, and that is already in there. All right, and then this one, I thought this one was really cute. I can see myself using that a lot. We just click. I thought that was really cute. This is us, the inner circle. I just thought that was really cute. A lot of this, it's just, to me, super cute and useful. So I picked that one up. And then I picked this one up. This one looked familiar, so I had to look through my stash to make sure I don't have it. And I don't see it, so I don't think I have it. But this was one that was out of stock, I think. And then they sent me, which is why I went over to Studio Calico, is because they let me know that this was back in stock. So, pick this up. And then this one, I thought this one was really cute. I don't have anybody graduating this year that I know of. But I could not pass up this stamp set. I thought this one was really, really cute. Now, I think this was one of those restocks too, but I can't be sure. But I really like this one. All right, so pick that up. And then I'll show you what I got from Elle Studio. I went ahead and re-signed up. I had been purging memberships. And I've been off of Elle Studio membership, I think a couple of years. But I purged some other memberships, so I went ahead and picked this one up. It's like $12 a month. And I usually really like them, so I pick it up. Okay, I thought I picked up an outside stamp set with this, but I guess I didn't. So we're going to look at this right quick. If I can get it out of the package. All right. Let's take a quick look. Okay, so these are single-sided. Really cute. Nice. All right. And then, let's see. There's a couple of more of these that I missed. This must be a bonus one. All right. Make sure there's nothing on the other side. There's nothing. All right, and then we got stickers. Oh, no, these are die cuts. Die cuts. Very nice. That's interesting. That too. All right. And that, I think, is all I had to share today. And then we just got some stickers. All right. That's it. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.